how to fix Instagram sharing and reuse option not showing. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram sharing and reuse option is not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application, or just find your Instagram application, tap and hold on to it, and then go with the app info. Once you tap on the app info, you need to simply go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just go and update it. And after updating your Instagram, you need to go with open, which will be on the right side. And from there, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be on the top right. Now, once you're on your settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and then go with account privacy. Under the account privacy, you need to make sure that your account is a public account. So go and toggle off the option of private account and switch your account to a public account. Once done, go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.